So let's go for a little bit more complex usage of the conditions. What we've set up earlier is that we said investments over 100K is a template. These are the three persons in the schema, and this was the condition. This condition is set for the complete template because it's set at the highest level of the schema, being this level. You can also define conditions on a lower level. So let's, for example, pick Marcus and say, okay, Marcus has a different condition. Marcus is, for example, responsible for subportfolio. Let's select a subportfolio is equal to, then we need a constant again, and it's equal to, I don't know, B2B. Here we go. Then we have to add this. And of course, we use the user feedback project not in B2B subportfolio. Here we go. What you can see over here is that it is in the marketing subportfolio. So if we start it, then we don't expect Marcus to be in there because Marcus is only responsible for the B2B subportfolio. So if I look at it again and switch the subportfolio to B2B, then start the workflow again, then you will see that Marcus is added in this subportfolio. Let's go back. So Marcus is added in the template because we are in the B2B subportfolio. Now let's go back to marketing and try something different. I can't, okay, consumer market, as long as something different, it's okay. Now Marcus, of course, will be gone again because he's not in there. What you do see is that Bao is in there and that I am in there. What you can do over here is apply conditions to children. So you can't read it completely, but it states here, apply conditions to children. If you say, this is valid, then that means that everyone below Marcus, so in this hierarchy, everyone below him also has the same conditions. So if we now start the workflow again, then you will see that I'm also not in there because I'm below Marcus in the hierarchy and the conditions of Marcus apply to me. If we change it to B2B and then start the workflow again, then you will see that both Marcus and I are in there. So this is a little bit more complex structure of the templates. Then there was a different thing I would like to show with you, which has to do with something that happens up here at the top of this screen, which is the order. As you remember from one of the first videos, we have budget and gates workflows, we have deliverables or WBS, work breakdown structure workflows, as well as document workflows. If you look at it right now, you see budget and gate, then document, then WBS. Perhaps you want to change the order of these. Okay, let's say we want first budget and gate, then WBS, then document. For that, this order is needed. So 10 is okay. Then this one we put at 20 because we want to do WBS a second, and this one we put at 30. And then it should be, after a refresh, these two should be switched. So that's the usage of this order function. Thank you.